3-bedroom na corner unit which is 119 square meter. No down payment condo in Fort Bonifacio. Pang-investment or pang-sariling gamit? Pues, ito ang para sa'yo. Located ito sa bagong township ni Mega World which is McKinley West sa tabi ng BGC at Makati. Ito ang Park McKinley West. 25-story building na may 6 high-speed elevator and interconnected pa tayo sa mall ni Mega World. Siyempre, pag may mall, meron tayong retail shops, restaurants, cinema house, and supermarket. And malamang guys, nagtatanong kayo kung ano ang mga available units natin dito. Meron tayong 2-bedroom, 106 and 110 square meter, and of course, 3-bedroom na corner unit which is 119 square meter. And ang mga deliverables natin guys ay video intercom na connected na sa lobby and provision para sa mga smart home units. Sa kitchen, granite countertop with premium kitchen cabinets and of course, range hood, 4-burner cooktop and oven. And of course guys, meron pa tayong extra space which is can be used as maid's room, guest room, or additional bedroom area or walk-in pantry. Sa toilet and bath guys, complete sanitary fittings na tayo with floor-to-ceiling ceramic tiles. And of course guys, bawat bedroom, meron tayong modular closet and pag master's bedroom, merong sariling toilet and bath. Semi-furnished na ang mga units natin dito guys and of course, may mga split type aircon na nakasama. So guys, again, no down payment promo tayo dito, 0% interest. So kung interesado kayo dito guys, message nyo lang ako. So that's it guys, this is Carlo Roque from Mega World Corporation. Peace!